In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Chrome 32-bit quickly and easily. This is useful if you're using an older Windows PC or a system that works better with 32-bit software. I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can find the right download page and get Chrome installed without any confusion. If this tutorial helps you, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Let's jump in. First, open any browser on your computer. It doesn't matter which browser you use, as long as you can search the web. Once your browser is open, click in the search bar and type Chrome 32-bit download. Make sure you type it clearly so you can find the correct download page. After you search, look through the results and find the Fileion Chrome download page. This is the page you want to open because it should provide the 32-bit version of Chrome. Click the result to open the page. Once the page loads, take a moment to confirm that you are on the correct Chrome download page. You want to make sure it mentions the 32-bit download option so you don't accidentally click the wrong file. When you see the download button for 32-bit, click it to start the download. Your browser may ask you where you want to save the file, or it may start downloading automatically. If a save prompt appears, choose a folder that is easy to find, like your downloads folder or desktop. Then wait for the download to finish. After that, you can open the file and continue with the installation if needed. And that's it. You've now learned how to download Chrome 32-bit in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.